251, that's approved. You can be on the river.
Negative north of the river.
251, thank you. Further traffic information, then there is a Delta 06 working the tower at the moment, Isle of Dogs westbound towards Vauxhall Bridge, continue up H10.
Stephen's looking for the traffic, please, 251. Heathrow, good afternoon, Starfleet 22.
Starfleet 22, squawk 7032, remain outside, I'll come back to you when I can.
So that's good, if you go a little bit higher.
What, we're 1,000 foot now?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Heathrow, Special Her, Golf Oscar, November Echo.
Golf Oscar calling, I'll call you back.
It's because we've just gone slightly north, and obviously as we get further away from Heathrow, the traffic just gets
lower and
higher.
Higher and higher, yeah. Obviously, yeah.
Now this must be Fulham here, so there's another, I think you can enter from down there and up to Fulham and then along the river.
Get some more high there.
Yeah.
Gotcha, Mike, after the Isle of Dogs, is it northbound you're looking for?
A-firm will route northbound from the Isle of Dogs and then westbound avoiding your zone towards Brookston then.
Roger, London Bridge to hold is still in place.
That's copied, Sierra Mike.
So 1,000 foot. And then just keep your eye out for London Bridge there, won't you, Josh, coming up? I mean, you should recognise London Bridge.
586 from the Isle of Dogs, you north or south?
Looking north Lee Valley for where?
North, Roger, again, you're in Bordeaux 586, your hold advance is cancelled, cleared eastbound, standard altitude, hold west of London Bridge.
Eastbound, not west of London Bridge. Sorry, not east of London Bridge, 486.
Starfleet 22, pass message.
Starfleet 22, 155, helicopter out of Denham for Battersea, just along the northern edge of the zone, 1300 feet, 1020, looking for entry via Brent.
Starfleet 22, cleared to enter the zone via Brent for Battersea, VFR not above 1,300 feet.
Cleared Brent for Battersea, not above 1,300 feet, Starfleet 22.
Where would you go now then? You'd just be off the picture?
Entry service level 1300, 1020.
Northumbria 05 with me.
Hello, sir, just hand over from Tower.
Northumbria 05, Roger. Police CT-145 helicopter operating just north of your
This
position.
is Battersea down
and
here.
there is an R44 at Battersea and a Chinook at Richmond, all eastbound on the river.
Cover the traffic visual with the 135 and we're looking for the other, so Northumbria 05.
Northumbria 05, Roger, your clearance limit of Vauxhall Bridge is cancelled, you're cleared westbound, Hotel 4, Hotel 10.
Westbound, Hotel 4, Hotel 10, Northumbria 05.
Got Sierra Mike traffic information, there's a Bell 206 Jet Ranger via the London Eye, westbound on the river.
Look at Sierra Mike.
Bordeaux 586, traffic information, Jet Ranger at the London Eye, westbound on the river, opposite direction.
Visual traffic 586.
Just keep going.
586, you're also following an R44 that's just past Battersea.
586 looking.
Did you say visual with the Jet Ranger?
Golf Charlie uniform, radar control service.
He said there's London Eye, didn't
Radar control service, Golf Charlie uniform.
Oh, at the London Eye.
Golf Charlie Mike, you visual the opposite direction, it's now at Vauxhall Bridge.
I see that in front there.
Visual, Sierra Mike.
Yeah,
Golf 05, the opposite direction has you in sight.
Visual on store, Northumbria 05.
Number 05, thank you. Report visual with the Chinook, it's just the other side of Battersea.
Also visual with the Chinook, Northumbria 05.
Thank you. Golf Sierra Mike, further traffic information, EC145 helicopter operating just north of the river by Westminster.
Copied, Sierra Mike.
Starfleet 22 radar control service.
See you.
Control, Starfleet 22.
Yeah, actually.
Bordeaux 586 traffic, EC145 helicopter operating just north
Looking
of
for
Westminster,
London
1,100 feet.
Must be around the corner, is it? Keep going up, Josh, now.
586,
But I thought it's still 1,000 though,
Bordeaux
isn't it?
586 EC145
No,
helicopter
zoom in, I think it's
operating just
1500.
north of Westminster, 1,100 feet.
Is it 1500?
Visual 586.
Okay, these 2512 helicopters eastbound. There's an R44 south of you by a couple of miles, and there's a Chinook at Battersea, both holding London Bridge, both going to the town.
2,000 now.
Visual concepts of traffic,
Yeah,
and if we would like to get into Albert Bridge in box 160 on the river, please 251.
These 251, that's approved, you've got both those in sight.
Just keep looking for London Bridge for me.
Approved under A-firm of the Rory.
Yeah, London Bridge there, all right.
Okay, Golf Sierra Mike, contact City Tower 118.080.
118.080, Sierra Mike.
Well, it's 586, the R44 ahead is holding at London Bridge as well. Also contact the tower 118.080.
Visual traffic code in.
City Tower, Golf Oscar Bravo, Sierra Mike.
Golf Oscar Bravo, Sierra Mike, City Tower, hello. Hold west of Tower Bridge, please, not above altitude 2,000 feet VFR.
Hold west of Tower Bridge, not above 2,000 VFR, Sierra Mike.
Yeah, it's Tower Bridge there. Where?
Down there, yeah.
2 towers. Alright.
City Tower,
So what do we do? Just orbit?
Whiskey 1020 set. Standard operator,
right pedal.
London Bridge, visual traffic head.
And just keep going.
Vortex 586, City Tower, good afternoon.
So you got
Hold
2,000
west
here.
of Tower Bridge,
Mate,
please,
this
not above
is
altitude
vast.
2,000 feet VFR.
West of Tower Bridge, Vortex 586.
Oh my god.
Golf Sierra Mike, traffic just lifting from the Royal London Hospital as an Explorer helicopter, rerouting southbound VFR.
Now copied, Sierra Mike.
Vortex 586, did you copy
Right,
that?
start. Let's start orbiting now.
Leveling off.
Vortex 586,
Level off.
in your 12 to 1 o'clock range of about 2.5 miles is an
yeah.
Explorer, lifting from the hospital, routing southbound
just
VFR.
turn here.
Copy 586.
Golf Sierra Mike, cleared eastbound now, standard operating altitude to the Isle of Dogs.
Cleared eastbound, standard operating altitude to Isle of Dogs, Sierra Mike.
Vortex 586, you're also cleared
Chinook.
eastbound, standard operating
Oh my God,
altitude
it's
to Long
Chinook.
H4 to the Isle of Dogs.
Cleared eastbound, H4, Isle of Dogs, Vortex 586.
Okay, good. Now we'll push on our speed. So we're going to go not absolute best speed, but just really go for it with the Chinook behind us. Just keep that height there. So I'm pretty sure, does that change that height now? So we're cleared to the Isle of Dogs, which is the southern tip there, 2,000 foot all the way. So just keep that height.
I'm just gonna fucking blend it now, man.
Josh is desperate to get out. He's like, get me out.
Mate, I don't know if I like that, you know, at all. At all.
You did well, Sky. Yeah, nice job there, mate.
Fucking hell, I did most of it.
Chinook behind
Look
us.
at that, look at Helicopter.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Right. Don't believe we've not been cleared, I don't think, from the Isle of Dogs northbound yet. It's
So
a route.
just eastbound. Where is Isle of Dogs though?
It's just
Yeah,
southern
it's
tip of the Canary Wharf here.
Yeah, we can carry on going that way though, 'cause it's eastbound, isn't it?
No, it's London City Airport there. If he doesn't say anything, we can always clarify with him.
Golf Sierra Mike, from Isle of Dogs, clear to leave the control area to the north, not above altitude 2,000 feet VFR.
From Isle of Dogs, cleared northbound, not above 2,000 VFR, Sierra Mike.
Vortex 586, same for you, from the Isle of Dogs, clear to leave the zone to the north, not above altitude 2,000 feet VFR.
Clear from Isle of Dogs, leave the zone to the north, not above altitude 2,000 feet VFR, 1020, Vortex 586. Thank you.
Mate, he's gone.
No pressure, Josh.
Right, is he right behind us?
O2 Arena. Yeah, it's quite close behind you.
Will I see him on this turn? I want to see him, dude.
No, you are. I don't think. You just won't get it in time.
No, mate, imagine if I did this by myself. I wouldn't be allowed in.
I'm landing.
Yeah.
Landing river. You see the Chinook over there?
Yeah. Yeah, I've seen him, he's been following us, yeah.
It's a bit of right foot. So, and then it's nothing massively affecting us. You can actually just go through that little gap there, and then that's the Olympic Stadium over there where that weird red spiry thing is.
What, can we go, oh, just go northbound now, yeah?
You clear northbound, yeah. But just, again, like, just pick your
Hello, Golf Oscar, November Echo. Oscar, November Echo, City Tower, hello.
You got not above 2,000, so just go higher over this bit here.
North of altitude 2,000 feet VFR.
This transit north south and above 2,000 feet VFR, Golf November Echo.
Golf November Echo, there is helicopter traffic, I'll tell you when you're a little bit closer and stand a chance of seeing them.
Let's copy, thank you, Golf November Echo.
What's that red bit there though? Oh, London City.
London City, but we're speaking to them, and it forms part of what we're doing here anyway. And then that's the Lee Valley, I think it's called there. See the water?
Yeah.
So we'll sort of go up that bit.
Mate, that one mad then, but I didn't like that, we were fucking orbiting.
Go to the gasometers there, so go that way to the left. Okay, you got these gas things here. Up that route, and then we'll go...
Sarah, hello, Shamrock 2 Lima Charlie, Avro with whiskey, stand number 3, clearance and startup for Dublin, please.
Shamrock 2 Lima Charlie, City Tower, hello, start approved, clearance Dublin, Compton 1 Alpha departure.